spiritual brain waves. Spiritual brainwave floods. Spiritual brainwave floods across the world, flooding the world. Washing out everything humanity thought it knew, and coming to find out that it never was true, and they were wrong. Spiritual brainwave floods coming soon, happening now. Spiritual brainwave floods. Brainwave floods. Humanity. God bless. Amen. Very nice. Godspeed.